Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring DNS resolves to the host and ports 80 and 443 are reachable. Without that, validation fails. Request the certificate next. Use Let's Encrypt for free certificates or purchase a CA-signed cert if you need extended validation. Generate a CSR if required, or use an automated Acme client. Once done, place the private key and certificate files in a secure directory, and set strict permissions so only root or the web server user can read them. You now configure the web server to actually use the certificate. For Apache, update the virtual host for port 443 with SSL certificate file and SSL certificate key file. For Nginx, set SSL certificate and SSL certificate key in the server block. Make sure to include the CA bundle or full chain so browsers trust the chain. Once configured, enable HTTP/2 if supported and restart the server. Test locally with OpenSSL client and a browser to confirm the certificate and host. You finish by forcing secure traffic. Add permanent 301 redirects from port 80 to 443 and update any absolute links or external services to use HTTPS. Then add security headers like strict transport security, but start with a short max age and no preload until confident. Finally, test thoroughly with SSL labs, curl, and multiple browsers. If something breaks, check certificate chain, file permissions, and firewall rules first. Certificate mismatches usually come from wrong domain names or missing intermediate certificates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.